What's up, guys? Go here. Today I want to talk about my new video. I did a face cam. I don't know why the comments are disabled. I did not disable them. YouTube, please undisable them. It's a fine. I'm not gonna do a face cam anymore if you don't want me to. Now we're playing hybrid animals. There's been a new update recently, and every time a new update comes out, I would have to make all the items. No, I really have to make all the items. Oh yeah, here's the first ever item I got. You can get a magma shovel in these little cool magmite ore, whatever you want to call it. The new stuff has been added to crafting. Like an oven. And that's literally it. Yep, that's literally it. Oh yeah, the oven has some new things, and I don't know how to get them. It's pretty hard. Hey, 1 iron ore. I think I need like 4 more to make the oven. Oh yeah, there's a new quest, the fossil record. You give an ethical fossil to one guy, and it gives you this, which is really dangerous. Like really dangerous. Like really dangerous. This you can find your. I still don't know how to make the thing, how do you call them, the blue and red torch. I still don't know how to make those, but I will know how to make those one day. I also don't know how to get the wheat and the pumpkins. I think it's somewhere around these like areas where you can just get that. It's the sombrero. I don't need a sombrero. Give me that. Give me that. Another sombrero. Bro, I can't wait for another rub. Hey, there we go. We have 1, 2. Okay, this is longer than it takes. The stupid magma ore. I didn't want to fight him, but I have to. It was an accident. Oh yeah, guys, I don't know why my thing just broke. Okay, there's a new update now, right, and I can't wait for the next one. So creators of hybrid animals, please add me as an Easter egg. That's the only thing I want. That's the only thing. Please. That's the only thing I want. Just a little Easter egg, like a Kiji, like a rock pattern, or like a village named a Kiji or something. I would at least love that. I would love that. There's that in the new update. Please. At least that. Please. And so YouTube, why did you turn off the comments of my video? That's just not fair. I just learned the face cam, bro. Oh yeah, it's time to place the oven. Oops. I meant to teleport to my castle. I have a storage. It was really small at the first start, but now it's like bigger. Bigger, better, and stronger. I already know I'm placing the oven, bro. Okay, rotate it. Boom. You can make bread loaf. I don't have to get the wheat. I don't have to get the pumpkin. I don't know how to make that wheat again. I just need wheat again. Oh yeah, I have a new bed, by the way. I don't need that stupid ass boring blue bed when I got a bed for two. I'm taking the new forest bed. This asshole. There we go. So, this is the, one of many videos. Wait, do you guys watch the Troll? You probably don't know what the Troll is, but hey, it's fine. How do I get the wheat? Is it rare or something? If it's rare, I'm just gonna go find it or something. Maybe I need to dig it up or something where you can find, like, I don't know, maybe you can find it somewhere, like around these plant areas. Maybe there's a good thing. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Let me just check the chest real quick. Nope. Nope. Also, this, magma shovel doesn't do anything special. I'm just gonna go to my portal real quick. I mean, my castle. I can show you guys something in the crucible now. See, there's the magma shovel. Yeah, how'd you get those red torches, by the way? A creator of this game, please, tell me how. So, we have a magma sword, which is now made out of 4 those. This is made out of something else. And now we have a magma shovel. A dark sword, and I also... Please, character, please give me at least... 12 of these ancient bones, so I can make this ancient armor. Please, character. Please, creator. I'm not asking for like begging, but please, I just want to make it. Oh yeah, remember I have these guys down here. I have another person of mine. But yeah, there's nothing in there. Let's see what I have in here. Dang it. Oh yeah, my stacks of money. Also have 2 guards. Anyways, guys, goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next video.